Welcome to Lesson 5 of the Healthy Living Soils resources, designed to support teachers in educating students about various ways we can assess or test soil based on its physical and chemical properties. This project is a collaboration between Primary Industries Education Foundation Australia, Soil Science Australia, and Soils for Life, and is supported through funding from the Australian Government's National Landcare Program. The Teacher's Guide aims to provide comprehensive support for teachers to effectively engage students with the curriculum content. This lesson has a range of activities that allow for differentiation and encourage collaboration between students and groups within the classroom. By selecting the Lesson 5 button, you can access the Teacher Guide. Lesson 5, Testing the Soil, targets Year 7 to 9 students and is aligned with the science, design and technologies and geography content from version 9 of the Australian curriculum. The code's linked to the Australian curriculum website if you wish to explore the elaborations further. The resources and equipment list outlines all the materials needed to teach this lesson, including active links to videos, source information, and links to take you directly to student worksheets. After each active link, you will notice Learn, View, or Do in brown text. This will help you direct students, using the student page, to find specific worksheets from the Student Learn menu, video or source materials from the Student View menu, and hands-on practical tasks from the Student Do menu. The comprehensive lesson guide outlines each of the 4 activities for the lesson, including detailed teacher instructions and suggested questions for class discussion. There are also suggested answers for student discussion questions and worksheets to assist and support teachers, and may be displayed to assist students once they have completed their work. In Activity 5.1, students explore the composition of soil. They will engage in hands-on practical activities to become acquainted with various soil types and develop the skills to categorise soils through soil textural analysis. In Activity 5.2, students learn about soil nutrients and their classification into macro and micronutrients. They will also examine the pH scale and its relevance in determining soil nutrient availability. Additionally, the lesson will introduce the concept of nutrient exchange between plants and the soil. In Activity 5.3, students use digital tools and geospatial technologies to produce a soil map of their local area or school using Google My Maps. Physical and chemical soil tests will then be conducted to gain an understanding of the soil around the school. Concluding with Activity 5.4, students explore how digital technologies such as geospatial mapping complement traditional soil testing methods to enhance land management capabilities. They'll conclude by examining Australian case studies demonstrating the integration of soil testing and land mapping, resulting in accessible and user-friendly information for effective land management. Worksheets cater for schools and students with various needs and access to technology. Student worksheets can be accessed at the bottom of the Teacher Guide or viewed individually via the student page. Student worksheets may be printed or completed online using the active links and writable areas. This lesson is designed so students can work independently using digital devices via the students page. Students click on the lesson number to gain access to individual student worksheets from the Learn menu, which may be completed online using the writable areas. QR codes and active links are on worksheets to assist students in accessing the required material. The View menu contains active links to video content and source materials for student access, and the Do menu includes worksheets for hands-on practical activities. Thank you for your interest in the Healthy Living Soils resources. If you would like to explore other food and fibre teacher resources from PIFA, please click the Prime Zone link in the menu bar at the top of the page. We also invite you to explore Soil Science Australia and Soils for Life websites.